I'm Sarah Khan, travel writer, curly girl, Bollywood aficionado, collector of hotel pens, and connoisseur of junk food from around the world. When you hit the road with me, I can promise you two things. You won't get lost and you will talk to strangers. Today, I'm taking you around some of my favorite spots in Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town's natural beauty is hardly a secret, with gorgeous beaches and majestic Table Mountain looming over it all. If you only know it through pictures, you might assume that the entire city is the product of a gifted Photoshop artist, but I promise you it's all real. What people don't always realize, though, is that Cape Town has a great urban flavor too, with vibey streets, colorful architecture, and galleries, boutiques, and coffee shops aplenty. Let's go check some of them out. Cape Town, known as the Mother City, really seems to have it all in one scenic corner of the globe. Complex history, dramatic backdrops, world-class food, wine, and art. The result is a dynamic cosmopolitan city with a vibrant soul, gorgeous inside and out. But first, coffee. I was never really a coffee drinker until I came to Cape Town. Cape Townians are serious about their caffeine, and it seems like there's a cute new coffee shop opening up every single week. Like this one. We're in Folk Coffee Anthropology on Bree Street, and it's one of my favorites. Now that I've sorted out my caffeine situation, I'm in the mood for a little window shopping. My idea of a great souvenir is something you can wear. With a mix of local fashion, art, and design, South African Market is actually one of my favorite stores in Cape Town. In fact, it's where I bought this necklace. I'm here with Michael. He's a manager of Sam. What are some of your favorite brands here?
There's Pachulik, of course.
That's obviously my favorite. I'm wearing Chulik right now.
We're very fortunate to have it in our space. Extremely popular brand. I think what makes South African design so popular and so exciting is the fact that it is colorful and it's Africa you're looking at. The focal point in Cape Town is nature.
Well, that's a great way to work up an appetite. I think it's time for lunch. Lucky for us, whether you want to splurge or save, there's plenty of places to choose from in Cape Town. So my next stop is really easy to miss, but you really shouldn't. Follow me. I can't get enough of the food scene here in Cape Town. Some of the world's top chefs are cooking up a storm right here on the southern tip of Africa. And the Short Market Club, where I am now, is actually the hottest new restaurant in the city these days. You might have better luck scoring tickets to Hamilton than you would getting a reservation here. But here's a little tip. Breakfast and lunch are not that crazy, and it's actually my favorite time of the day to be here. Luke Dale Roberts is South Africa's top chef. His test kitchen is ranked number 22 on the world's best restaurants list. He opened Short Market Club with two of his proteges as a throwback to an elegant, old world style of restaurants. But what I'm really craving right now is some local fast food, and I know just the spot. If I were planning your trip to Cape Town, the first place I'd take you as soon as you got your passport stamped at the airport would be right here, to Mariam's Kitchen, a no-frills takeaway joint in the CBD. Let me show you why. The cuisine of the Cape Malay Muslim community is unique to Cape Town, and Mariam's is a CBD institution for its samosas, pies, and sandwiches. So what people love about Cape Town is its famous Gatsby sandwich. That's not what I ordered here. My favorite thing on the menu at Mariam's is called the steak salami. It's a buttery, flaky roti filled with curried masala steak, and it's literally the best thing you will eat in Cape Town, I promise you. You have got to try this. So good. There's so much more to Cape Town than Table Mountain, so next time you're in the Mother City, make sure you hit the streets. Never know what you might find.